Hi Rishu, good morning.
Hello, hello.
Good morning.
Mm.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. Okay, share your camera on the screen. Did you try the calculator? Have you tried?
Yeah, I was just doing this done.
Oh, very good. Super.
I had to restart. I had to keep on restarting like three, four times.
Oh, why?
It was some error. I don't know
Oh,
why. It just said some error.
okay. Your system getting restarted or our application, Microsoft Visual Studio application get restarted?
It was Microsoft Visual
System.
Studio. That's why. Yeah,
Oh, okay. Okay, you share your
but it's
screen.
fine
We
now.
will. Okay, we will
Yeah,
deal
I
with
just have to
that.
finish with the design.
Okay. We will wait for Akilan, okay?
Yeah, I had to finish off the design.
Okay, just show your design and we will see. Oh, you are doing okay. You can change your button text 1, 2, 3. You didn't finish, okay? Your system getting problem. You said okay.
Yeah,
Finish it first. We will write the code for that. Okay.
okay.
I will inform in the group. Waiting for Akilan. Oh, Akilan is logging. When your class school starts actually?
Uh, first is
Today, August
uh,
28th, no?
I have today's Wednesday, so I have 4 more days. Then
Oh, okay. 4 more
two,
days are there.
no, three. I have 1 week left.
Okay. Okay.
1 week until
Actually,
the whole.
as we planned, we finished Kanna. Okay.
Mm,
But do you have any doubt? You can ask me coming
yeah.
days. Save. Okay. Save it. Akilan joined. Akilan asked to join. Okay. Hi, Akilan.
Hello.
Hi. Okay. Come on. Okay, share your screen and Rishu is designing actually now only because his system getting restarted off only. He said
Okay.
actually. So you share your screen. Okay. Rishu, you continue your design.
Okay.
You just continue with your designing. It's opening. You
I
see?
didn't I didn't put any on and off. I just did it so you had to type it in,
Hmm.
not click the buttons in there.
Oh, you didn't get any button?
No, I have buttons, but I didn't make it so you have to press the buttons to
Oh, okay.
uh,
You can't write the
enter
code,
them.
is it?
Oh, still loading. I'll show you.
Okay, okay. We will wait, we will wait. It is initialization. Okay. Oh, you made like this. Okay. Okay. But we want only the calculator model. Okay. That's the another thing. It's easier actually. We already did this, no?
Yeah, we did one similar to this.
Oh, no, okay, no problem. Run the program.
Okay.
This is actually easier, Kana. The first number and second number it will add likewise, no? But the real calculator, how we work with the real calculator. So something that model we need. Okay, very good. Division already we did, no?
Yeah, we did some. Yeah.
Ah, yeah, okay. But I need the calculator one, calculator model. Okay. Today we will see how to do that. Hmm? Because in that model, we need to focus on many things actually. We need to focus. Okay.
Okay.
Mute yourself. No problem. Mute yourself. Okay. Rishu, are you continuing your designing?
Yes.
Okay. Shall we start, Kana? I will design and show you how to do that things. Okay.
Mm.
I'm recording this video, so
Okay.
no problem. Our Monish can see this video. Okay, how to do that. So I will take a different project, new project. Then only you can understand easily. Uh, can you able to see my screen now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So as usual, go to file. We need projects. I already drawn. No, I need the calculator like this. So you don't this this is a GUI view, which is a graphical user interface. Okay, so we need the button like this. We need
Oh.
everything as a GUI, not the console based. Console
Okay.
based means it's like a black and white screen. Okay, so I clearly told you Windows based application, which is like this, not exact like this, a simple way. We need the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and equal sign. Uh, you can design in your own way, but looks like a calculator model. That's it. So for that, go to File, New Project. Okay, as usual. So here you need to select Windows Form application, not the console-based application. If you select console-based application, you cannot see the forms. Only you have to write the code and see the output. That's it. So we need the Windows up Windows Forms application. Okay, this is calculator app 1. So just click OK. It will stored inside this particular menu. Our application name is calculator app 1. So it will create one neat form as usual. So just name it and resize what size you want to do. So just resize the form and go to the text property of the form. Change your calculator model caption as calculator. So it comes like this calculator. After getting into the form, just draw the button. See our calculator. What is this actually? These are all buttons. Looks like buttons. This is test box. If I press 8, the 8 will come here. If I press 2, 8 plus 2, 82 will come here. Not 8 plus 2, something like that. 8, sorry. 8, after I pressed 2, I need to concatenate these two strings. First I pressed 8, second I pressed 2. So I need to concatenate both these numbers. So 8 plus 2, I need to get this value 82. This is my value 82. How can we do that? So if you add two text box value 55 and 50 without converting it, if you try to add these two values without converting into value, you will get concatenation. Here also we need concatenation. So just add the value using plus without converting into val function, then you can get this result like this. Okay, so we will try one by one. I just need to design like this calculator. So for that we need first a test box and then we need a button. Okay, first test box. Where is the test box? Here. So this is our test box. Then after that we need button. This is button 1. Just rearrange it. 4 buttons. Shift. Look here, I just track it using control. I just hold down the control key and track my button. It make me new copy. Okay, so select all these. So draw around rectangle around the buttons. It will select those things. Otherwise just press control plus click every button, it will select all the button. Then again track down using hold down the control key. Hold down the control key and then track down. It will make you to the another copy, then next copy, then next copy. So these are all the my requirements. If I need anything more than this, I can reuse it. So I need to change the button font. So select all those button at a stretch. So just for that, draw rectangle around the button. It will select all the button. Then change your fonts as bold. I want to make it big, so 23 or anything you can view like this. So I want to change the button text also. So this is I need to change button 1, 2, 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, then 8, 9, then here you can press 0 and dot, otherwise you can come down and I want to change the order. In your own way you can design. Okay, I want to put dot because decimal numbers has the dots, no? So dot, then equal sign, then this is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. For multiplication I just press x. Okay, So these are all my button, calculator button. Then I need on off value. You can cancel letter. So backspace and cancel. Okay. This is for backspace. So to erase some text, so backspace. This is for cancel and this is for on or off. Okay, on off button. When gets loaded, it will on. You can change accordingly. We will write the code in future. Okay. Change the background color as green. Okay. So this model I expected Akilan, like this model. Okay. This model I
Okay.
expected. Okay. So I need to change my font a little bit lower. Okay, you can mute yourself. Your side not noise coming. Okay. So likewise, I need to change the font color also. The font the text box test should be 0, and I need to change the font size bigger. Then I can see clearly. So bold it and the equal size of 23. So I want to make it right side alignment. So make it right side alignment. Text align right. That is text align property. This is our text align property. Make it right side alignment. So it looks like a calculator. Okay. Rishu and Munish, Rishu and Akilan. Munish leave no. So Akilan, can you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. So this is what I expect actually from you. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So change the I want to change the background color. So for that, just click the form and go to back color. Change the nice background color for your calculator. For the cancel, you can set different background color. For the backspace also, you can warn your student using some color. I want to show the operator in different color. This is all our wish. Okay, no need to change actually, but this is our it's to differentiate each other. Okay, to differentiate each other from I will run. I didn't write any code. I just make it a calculator design. This is our calculator. Look how it nice, super no. So if I click any button, it doesn't react anything because I didn't write any code for these buttons. First of all, I need to write the code for what's the code. When I press 1, the 1 should be placed in the text box like this. Suppose if I press 2, it will override. If I press 2, if I write the code, it will overwrite the number 1. But I don't want that. First if I press 1, I need to place 1 here. If I press 2, I need to add the 2 here. Okay, for that you need to write the code. So I will just try with these three numbers alone, because then only you can understand. Just like that you need to do for all other buttons. Okay, did you understand what I am saying? Can you try to understand?
Yes.
Okay, Rishu. I asked Rishi.
Yes.
Okay, Rishi, listen. Now only we are going to write the code, okay? So double click on the one. So what is our button name? Button 13 actually. So you can change the button name also. So I want to change the button name BTN1, and this is for BTN2. Likewise, you can change your name also, because in your coding it will be easy for you. So BTN3, likewise you can change BTN0. You should start from the alphabet, otherwise no problem. BTN dot, okay, BTN equal, and I want to use plus sign. So BTN plus add, which means add, BTN add. This is backspace to remove the last digit. Okay, that's for BTN backspace. This is for cancel, clear the text. So BTN cancel and on off, BTN on off. Okay, these are all the button. I just changed a little few things. I didn't change for 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I changed a little bit. And then also I didn't change for subtraction multiplication. You do in your program, okay? I just teaching you know, so I didn't change all those things. Okay, when I press 1, I want to place the button text in the text box 1 dot text. So when I double click on the button, it will take you to the particular button view. I need to remove all those things because I changed the button. So do not remove the class. Inside the class only you need to write all the subroutines. Okay, function, there is function. So double click on it again, it will take you to the right command. So private sub, which means the function procedure, when you click the particular button, it will take you to the particular position and handle the event button click. When it gets clicked, it will come inside this particular button, and it finished all the code inside it what you have written. After finishing the code, it will return to the particular screen. That's it. It will end the function. That's it. So when the button one clicks, this is actually button one, number one. Number one gets clicked. When number one button clicked, what you don't need to do? I just text box one dot text is equal to, I need to place one like this. You can directly put like this, but this is not advice. What your button has, button one dot text, button one already has the value 1, so it just displayed in the text box. Okay, likewise I want to do with the button 2. So this is button 2. The same text box I want to display. This is button 3. The same way I want to do. But what will happen? Just 3 buttons I tried, okay? Now I'm going to run. Excuse me. Look here. If I press 1, the 1 will displayed in the text box because that's our code. If I press 2, the button 2 text, that is a 2, the number 2 is displayed in the text box 1 dot text. It will overwrite the 1. Suppose if I press 3, it overwrites the text box text. Okay, I don't want to do override. I want to add with the already placed numbers, whatever it may be. That's no problem. But I want to add it with the already showed text in the text box. For that, just do with the lines. Control C copy, then Control V paste. I want to add with already text box test has something, no, that number added to should be added with the current text. So I just, okay, I just changed the code. Can you understand this code? Do you have any doubt in that? Call me and mute yourself and tell me. Otherwise, no problem. Do you have any doubt in that? Okay. Now,
Uh,
hmm,
no.
okay. Now see the code. This is our code. This is our button. If I press 1, the test box already has 0. So it will just added with 0. If I press 2, just it will add it. Likewise in the calculator. If I press 2, just add it. Okay. If I press cancel, I need to clear that. So for that, I need to write the code for the C cancel button. Double click on the code. Very simple. Just go to text box one dot text equal to 0. That's it. Just put in double quotes because text box always has the text string only. So if you place just 0, it will convert it as a string also, so no problem. Within string, within double quotes, or just directly put 0, anything is okay, but practice with string. Okay. Okay, so if I press 2, it will add it with the already placed things. So how many times if you click, it will add it again and again. That's it. If you click clear, it will get clear. Okay, likewise you need to write the code for all those things, other numbers also. Okay, but if I click 1, if the numbers gets 0, I don't want to add that. So if text box 1 dot text box 1 dot checking, I want to check the condition whether it is 0 or not. So if the condition test box 1 dot text is 0, only 0 is there, I can directly replace it. In previously you do know, you did know. Likewise, no need to add with 0, because when I press first time, it show like 02, not 2, but we need to show 2 alone, not 02. Okay, I want to cancel it. So for that, if doesn't has 0, suppose if the text box has some numbers, instead of 0 it has some numbers, that time you need to add along with the text box text. In the first button and the second button, I think the second button we wrote. Okay, I will press the second button. Now look here, I am going to press the second button. It will not come 02, it will come 2, just like 2. Okay, now I'm going to click the second button. Look here, so the 2 directly displayed. Now if I press 2 again, it will add it properly. Okay, likewise you need to add for every number. If I press 1, it will add 0 1, not 1. If you want to get 1, you need to write the same coding for the first button. And if you want to do with the same things for the 3, you need to write the same code for the third button also. So just copy the code and do with the third button also, and the first button also. See, no name. We changed the name button 1, button 2. That then only you can understand easily. Uh, the same code do with the 4 and 5 also, up to 9. Okay, enough. I think you did for all the buttons. Okay, we don't have time much, so we will move on to the next one. The same way, we will try with the 0th button. But we will dot. If the 0 is there, I want to replace it with a 0 point. So this is the point button. Okay. So for that, you need to display like this 0 dot. If it has 0, I want to replace the dot 0 dot. Okay. Otherwise, if it has any number 7 like that, 7 dot, something like that, it will show. You think we can able to understand? I will show. I will show. Look here. To if I put dot, it will come 2 dot. Oh, I need to change the button name. Button dot. I forgot to change the name. Sorry. If you made any mistake like this, it won't affect the screen. So you need to check your code again and then come again, then check it. Okay, no problem. The error will come. Through errors only you can learn more. The dot doesn't get work yet. So I will check it. What's the problem? If it is 0, then I want to put the test box test is equal to 0. If it is already 0, I want to add it particular dot text button. The code will not affect. Then clear the solution and then rebuild it again. Sometimes the code cannot refreshed itself, so you need to do it again. It has some error because I didn't change the button name also. So I want to erase it. You properly changed all the names, okay? Then only you won't get any errors. Okay. I didn't change anything. Okay. 2 dot, it works nice, no, because I didn't change anything. The problem is in the refreshment. Okay, for that I just rebuild it, clear the solution again, go to build and rebuild it, clear solution, clean solution, and then rebuild it, it will come. Okay, I erased the wrong one, I erased it. Now it works fine, I didn't change the code. If the button already has 0, I want to put the 0 dot. If the button has any number other than 0, I just added dot with that particular number. Okay, that's it. Again I won't run it. 231 dot. The problem is, if I press any other dot again if I press dot, it will come, but it should not come. No, one decimal numbers only one dot will come. So you cannot just put dot immediately, you should check already dot is there or not, you need to check. Okay, for that some methods are available, that is inbuilt in method. So before adding it, else. Okay, else if you need to check another condition also, that is the dotted line is there or not, the dot is there or not. How to check? Just go to textbox one dot text, put dot again, contains, you can check contains equal to the dot. If the dot contains within bracket, you can give pass your string. If the dot already contain, it will return true or false. If it returns true, then the dot is already there, so you should not add your dot. So then you need to check return false. It will return false. The test box doesn't has any dot in there, so you can finally add it, otherwise it won't do anything. Okay, now look here, after checking the particular condition, look the code. Here is the code. So I pressed 1 2, then dot, then 3 2, again I press dot. It won't do that because it checked the dot is already there. Test box test dot contain dot, so it just return the false statement because it is there, so it returns the false statement, sorry, true statement. So it get false, totally it get false and come out, it won't add it. Suppose if it is not there, if I put dot, it will give. If already dot it's there, it won't place it. Okay, how many things we need to check? Look here, simple calculator, simple calculator, but we need to write code for this much, just for placing the number. Not even we didn't any do any calculation. For the real calculator we need to write so much code. Okay, so that I'm asking you design like this. Simple way only, but if you pressed any number, you need to do concatenation, and you need to check the dots are already there or not. If you press any number, if it is 0, you need to convert. Not if I press 5, I don't want to show 0 5, I want to show 5 alone. Suppose 9 is there, if I press 5, I need to show 9 5. That is 95. I want to show like that. You need to check everything one by one. Okay. Now, this button, particular button, less than. So if, sorry, not less than, sorry, yeah, this is a backspace. So if I press backspace, I want to erase the last digit. Suppose if I press I wrote the code only for these two, three button, 1 2 3. So I just pressed these button alone. You tried with all the numbers, okay? Okay. After pressing this button, backspace button, I want to erase the last digit. Then if I press the second time, I need to erase it. If I press third time, I need to erase like this. Okay, how to do that? So for before doing that, we need to know how to show our length of the text box. So go to the double click on the particular button. This is our button backspace. This is our name of the button backspace. So go to the particular button backspace. Inside it, I just want to show the message box. Using message box, I want to display something, that is how many digit our text box has. So for that, text dot call the length function instead of contains. Here call the length function. This is the function. It will return how much your text box has. Okay, it will show when you click the backspace. It won't erase this, it will show the number of digits are there in the text box. You will say, okay, how many digits are there? 0 0.23. So 4 digits are there. Suppose if I press 1, 2, 3, again 3, 2, 0, 1. How many digits are there? Issue? How many digits are there? In the test box?
In the text box, there's 7.
Yeah, 7. So if I press this, it will return the 7. Okay. For again, if I press, it will return how many digits your test box has. It always returns because that is our code. We wrote the code for that test box text dot length. Okay, but I want to remove the last digit. For that, test box, suppose if I have my test box has 1 2 3 3 2 1 2 7 digit. Okay, it has 7 digit. For that, I need to do test box 1 dot text dot remove. I want to remove the starting index. You need to give the starting index, that is 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. Where you want to remove? I want to remove from the 6. The length is 7, actually the whole length is 7, but the index always start from 0. So 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So the 6 starting from 6 and ending end of the digit. I want to erase it. It will give the, if you give the third index, it will erase 0 1 2 3. From the second 3, it will erase all those. Likewise, it will work. I want to erase the last digit alone. So just pass your length of the digits, that is 7. I want to do with the minus 1 because always index start from 0. So I want to reduce the length minus 1 to access the last digit. If you do like this, it will remove the particular value. Okay, it will remove. Every time if I press, the message also show 1 2 3 0 2 1. Okay, if I press how many digits, it show the 6. And testbox.text remove 6 minus 1 5. The 5 means this index. So from this and last, so this is the last and first. So just to give the starting index, it will remove after that. So the 1 will automatically removed if I press this. So total digit 6, it will remove. But I didn't replace it. It removed, but I should replace it in the same text box. The written text is correctly come. I will show in the message box to you. Okay, within the message box, I showed in. Look here, 1 2 3 0 2 1. Okay, if I press this, the number of digits is 6. If I remove the last digit, it will give 1 2 3 0 1. Okay, likewise it will give. The first, it will give the length of the string. The second one, the last digit removed and we got something. This something has to be stored again inside the particular text box again. So it will override it. So for that, you need to put inside the text box 1 dot text is equal to, I want to replace it, the given value replaced inside the same text box again. That's my code. Then only it will get removed. This message box, no need. I just comment it. Look at 1 2 3 2 1 something. Okay. If you press this, it will remove. Nicely, it will remove. Can you understand? Once it gets the last digit get removed, the length of the text box digit is 0 now. If I press this, the index will pass like -1. That time you will get error. So if I press again, you will get some error. Look here. Because starting index cannot be less than 0. Already the textbox text length is 0. 0 minus 1 you will get. It try to remove the index from the minus 1. There is the no negative index. In Python we have negative index, but any other languages we don't have any other negative index. Negative index always start from 0. It will go like this, not from minus something. There is no minus index, negative index. So you do not do like this. Before going inside, before trying to remove, you need to check whether the length of the string, you need to check. So if conditions again we need, you need to check the length of the string greater than 0, then only you will go inside and do the same thing. That's a simple condition. Just write the simple condition. So once the length of the string gets 0, so it won't go inside. So you won't get any something like that, um, any value in that. Okay, we need to write another code also. For the perfect calculator you need to write some more code. Let's see this 1 2 3 0 2 1 2 3 again. If I press again and again, it removed nicely. Last digit removed. If I pressed again, it won't get any error. If I pressed again, it won't get any error. But I need 0 here. After erasing all those things, I need 0 here. So once the text box length gets 0, equal to 0 length, okay, I want to replace the text box as 0 alone. One minute, I need to else if, because that's a condition. If the condition, if you write any condition, I told you no, else if I missed to type else if. I just put else alone. If there is no any condition, you just put else. If you want to check any other condition, you need to put else. Without if, you cannot write any condition. Okay, that's the rules in any other languages also. Okay, suppose look here. Sorry. Okay, if I erase it, it will erase. Again, if I do the last erase, the once it will get 0. But after getting the zeroth value, then only it replaced with 0. Okay, so you need to replace the length of the string gets 1. That time you removed, sorry, inside it. After removing, you need to check. So here we need nested if, because after removing, look here, in any time we can get the in text box length is 0. So once after removing the last digit, suppose if the text box has 0 length, that time you just make it 0. That's it. Immediately it will get 0. Like in calculator, it will get 0. So this is for perfect code. Okay, you can change the if condition accordingly. Here we need nested if instead of else if. Okay, you try these things. Okay, tomorrow we will write the code for addition, subtraction, everything. Then try with the fourth, fifth button you need to change, and we need to, if we press on, then only the our buttons gets enabled. Then we can off it again. Likewise we can do. Okay, up to this, shall we try tomorrow? Sorry, up to this, you try after this class. Then tomorrow we will see the next further code
Okay.
to do the complete our calculation. Okay, for that we need to catch up the first number. After catching the first number, we need to note down the operator also, which operator they are pressed, plus or minus, anything they pressed, no, so you need to note down that. Then after pressing the operator, you need to read the second number also. The after second number, when we show the result, when they pressed equal sign, then you need to display the particular value, calculator value. Okay, so it will be nice actually. We will do tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow we can finish. Okay, Kilan. Okay, Kilan and Rishu.
Yeah, I'm here.
Mm, getting little confused, or you can do? Can you able to do?
Now I can do.
Oh, super.
I think I'll be able to do it.
Okay, okay. Do you have any copy of this?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay, I will put in our group. Okay, you just refer that group.
Is it a
Okay.
video you're putting?
Okay. Thank you. Bye. Bye, Akilan.
Okay.
Rishu, same
Bye.
time. Tomorrow, same time we will connect. Okay.
Okay, yeah, at 11, right?
Ah, yeah, yeah. In your time, same time.
Okay,
Bye.
okay.